Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. We are going to a corn maze today. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I just got ready and yeah, we are gonna be leaving. It is 60 degrees out. It is so extremely nice. If you are new, hi, my name is Amanda. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I post. Let's get on into the video and let's go to the corn maze. We got our scavenger hunt list. We'll see if we can find all of these. What's this little guy? That's cute. We've come to a crossroads. Left or right? You think right? I don't know, let's go right. We're gonna go right and see where it takes us. I bet we're gonna miss some of our little landmarks.
Quite possible.
I walked right by this dog in a basket and you're like, dog in a basket. Isn't he cute? He's tied up. I feel so bad for him.
Yes.
Look at that. Okay, so we took another right because we came to another crossroads. So far we're doing pretty good on our list.
Some tall stuff.
I know, this is really tall. Holy man. Very. That's true. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh, this scared me.
Mannequin.
Yeah, that's her. Isn't she beautiful? Her leg is what scared me. I saw that. I'm like, oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so let's mark down mannequin and what is this?
Oh, we made her.
Up here. Ooh. Spooky. And some bat stuff. Yeah, I think we made it to exit. I think it's right around the corner. We heard this little rustling right when we came out and there's a little kitty. Oh, here's another skeleton dude. So yeah, we missed quite a few, but we also got quite a few. Come here, kitty. Oh, she's going down there by everybody else. Look how cute that is. Okay, we made it out. That was fun. That was cool.
What's that?
Yeah, it is warm. Thank you.
It was a great afternoon.
You too.
Wow.
Got it?
Yeah,
All right. Look how cute she is. Fall vibes are strong right now, and we're gonna go on our nature walk. My hair is getting so long, and I'm so happy about it. Like, I'm here for that. I am officially growing my hair back out. I don't know how long I'm gonna grow it, but I definitely want more length. Like, I had the short stage for a while, and I was so into it, and I loved it, and I went pretty short, but now it's time to grow it back out. And I like the length it's at right now. Like, it's at a really cute length, but knowing that it's gonna grow a little bit more as time goes by, that makes me so happy. We made it! Okay. I'm gonna get my purse. I need to get a drink of water before we go. And we're set. This water is so pretty. It's blue. Can you guys tell? I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera or not, but yeah, like, it's blue. I like the crunching of the leaves. There were people walking towards us, and then they turned around and went the other way. We've come to another sign. Should we go that way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I have that.
You have?
Yeah.
There's a bench up ahead.
That's cool.
Is it wet down there?
Not too bad. Right here is good.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's slippery though.
Right.
Is that mud or is that?
That's mud.
That looks like, yeah.
So right here, you can walk. It's a little wet here, but once you get there, it's dry.
Yeah, I'm fine where I'm at. It's kind of yucky over here. Is that a mushroom? Jammed. Let's try. It says 5 cents, not 25 cents. I have 5 cents.
I do too.
You do?
And I even read nickels.
Okay, because you're trying
And
to
I
jam
still gave you a
25 cents
quarter.
into a nickel machine.
Oh, I think, yeah, I don't have 5
I
cents.
have 5 cents. Here's your 25.
Definitely not a nickel.
Good thing
That's not one either.
oh my gosh, this is the shiniest penny. Wow. Yeah, I have 5 cents somewhere. Right here. All right, let's try this again.
One more gallon.
At least it was only 5 cents. Looks like we're not feeding the fishies. So where did we go?
Just around the far.
We literally did the whole outline
Yes.
and then came out right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one would be cool.
Hey guys, We are back now. I just changed quickly into some comfy sweats. Probably gonna make something to eat. Why am I out of breath? I picked up Fern and I feel like I was kissing her and I wasn't breathing. But yeah, so we just got back like 10 minutes ago from our little nature walk. It was so much fun. Today was such a good day. It is just after 3:30. Ooh, hi Fritter. How are you? How are you? Huh? Kisses. Kitty kisses. I think I'm going to end my vlog here. I don't know how long it's going to be, so I'm gonna end it off. But yeah, I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fun fall vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below so you are part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!